Today we're gonna put some wheel spacers on these bikes. Just in the front. This is how it sits now. I found these on Amazon. A box of 2.5-inch wheel spacers. Came out this little plastic here. So I got these on my bike, my 400 over there. Haven't had any problems. I know people talk about wheel spacers and eating out your bearings. I've had them on many vehicles, my side-by-side, my Suzuki 400, and haven't had any issues. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on today. Hopefully widen out the stance in front. All right, here's what they look like on. Let's went ahead and put some thread lock on them. So it looks like when it's mounted up. So there's the stock one. Haven't put the spacers on that. There's the 2.5-inch wheel spacers. So a total of 5 inches. Definitely improves the stance. As you can see, those wheels are kind of set in a lot further. So I'll go ahead and put those on the other one. Just standing behind the bike. So directly center, that's the stock one. There's the one with the wheel spacers. See, definitely a lot wider. Just took it for a test drive. I will say it definitely turns a lot better. I noticed with the narrow wheelbase, it kind of slides on the garage floor here when I'm pulling them in, I'm making a sharp turn, but definitely a lot better. I'll have to find something for the back. I know some guys have been using these on the back, but I know better than use those on a power drive wheel, so I'll find some solid aluminum spacers, but definitely worth it.